Hi, Repo Gadgets here. I'm making good old-fashioned drunken chili because I'm drunk. Got it? So here we go. Drunken chili. Let me get you set up so you can watch my pan. I got my noodles ready. Noodles. Good old-fashioned picture beans. Got a little bit of corn oil in that mix. That'll be alright. And some. Well, where did my little doggy go? I lost my little doggy. Oh, that's some. Got some red chili powder. Drunken chili. I learned this from a drunk. And since I'm drunk, I think this is appropriate. So you, into your monosyllabic ways, can go suck it. Where did my... Oh, there you are. This is salsa. Usually I use hot, but since I'm drunk, I don't care. I know exactly how it's going to taste. Bite me. We'll use some store-bought chili powder. Just a little bit, not too much. Don't want to overpower it. The old-fashioned enchilada mix. A little bit. Not too much. Saltage. Garlic saltage. Mixing like this. Yeah. Let that sit there and simmer. Sorry for the fucking cussing. I don't give a fuck. You inbred some bitches. My intellect goes very high the more drunk I get. I don't know why, but it does. The binary synapses of your intellectual thought is not binary at all. It's more circumstantial. Or delusional. Matter of fact. Go to college for 4 years. What did you get? A paycheck worth $40? That's what you got? What do you spend it on? Makeup. Vanity. Circumstances of the synapses firing. When you don't drink, it becomes lower. And that's why you go to college. You try and get your intellectual thoughts processes going. And what do you end up with? $23,000 bill that you cannot pay? Lucky to get it paid off by the time you're 50? That's illogical. Improbable. Psychotic. Morons. That's what I call you people that go to college. Morons. I went to college. I know. People are morons. Uneducated retards. If you need someone else to teach you something, you messed up horribly. Pepper. Pepper. Good old-fashioned black pepper. Need it. Always need it. I'm trying to speak as monosyllabic as possible, but my intellect is slowing me down. All I want to use is big words, fancy words, just to prove how ignorant everybody else is. I have to granulate, separate every word that I'm thinking of just so you can understand what I'm saying. Not a good thing. And I'm drunk. What the hell is up with that? I'm smarter drunk than you people are sober? Shit. Something wrong. Drunk chili. Learned this recipe from a neighbor of mine. Can't remember his name, even if it was tattooed on my forehead. Alrighty, I'm going to dump this in my macaroni. I don't measure anything, I don't taste test anything, blah, 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 like I always do. I don't edit my videos because I lost my give a fuck years ago. Alright, I'm just going to throw some taco blend cheese in there. If I can open the package, because I'm drunk. Okay. Fuck shit. Chicken damn fuck. Open. Says me. Open. Open, damn it. knife is for. Fuck it. This is easy. Now this is just drunken chili. I ain't adding nothing else to it. No vegetables on the side, nothing. Just drunken chili. Do it. Like it. You don't like it, you're not a fucking drinker. So you can kiss my ass. It's good. It sells good. Believe me. I had a restaurant for 3 years. This shit sells. Crazier the idea, the better it sells. Because it's something different, isn't it? Damn it. Well then, it's all done. No, wait. Make my girlfriend. Bigger spoon. Bigger spoon. Look at that. Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Make sure everything's off. Always double check your stove, no matter how drunk you are, like me. So have fun out there. Even though you're drunk as fuck, you can still cook. Just double check your stove, please. Make sure the thing is off. Have fun.